healthcare digital marketing. What marketing tech tactics can we do with the on the field of healthcare? Let me open my screen. Here is a mind map which I have drawn, which has 5 arms extruding outwards. First, let us understand what is marketing. Just a second. Yes. What is marketing? Well, marketing is just about reaching out to mass people, like bulk quantity, and saying that you have a solution for the problem at the right place at the right time. It is just saying to people at a mass scale that you have a solution to the problem. It is not pushing people to buy products or cheating them. Most of the people have the misconception, have the feeling that whenever the marketing comes, something which is going bad to happen to them. But that is not marketing. The real definition of marketing is the first one. Why people feel so? Because we have seen multi-level marketing, and we have seen very bad experience uh, when a product is shown to us as a something like big shot, but when the actual product comes, it is totally different. And when we say that why the product is different, they said this is only marketing strategies. You should have read all the asterisks, if you know what I am saying. Best example for this case is Naptol. You have seen the TV ads where people shout and say that this is the best product of the life. If you don't buy, you are going to die. Something like that. But that is not marketing. That is advertisement. There are difference between advertising and marketing. If your product is good and you reach out to the right person at the right time, people will definitely buy your product. That is for sure. Example, if your car is being stuck in an highway, and if some ad pops up in your phone saying that hey, if you want your car to be serviced, or we can help in accidental repairs and all the stuff, you will definitely buy the product. You will not see how the person is marketing, who is marketing. When there is a need, there is a demand, and you are just going to fulfill it. It's a two-way trade. You are sorry, the spelling mistakes are there. Please avoid it. There are You are giving them a service, and in sorry, the people are giving you a service, and you as a customer giving them the value worth it. That is the money. This is a two-way trade, not a one-way. Let's see about types of medical professional which a patient can go for. When a patient is not unhealthy, it has some disease. So the first thing what are the ways he can approach the problem? He can go with allopathy, he can go with homeopathy, he can go with Ayurveda. But what? But generally people prefer allopathy. Why? Because let me say, because allopathy has immediate effect, and people have lost the patience to wait for a long term to get cured, so they directly go for allopathy. Let's see what is in for marketing for doctors. What doctors knows, what they have studied in their lifetime, basically 5 years of MBS, and some 2 to 3 years of MD, and some few more years of their medical experience, and the practical experience. In this 5 6 years, they have gained immense knowledge about medical knowledge. In spite of being a specialist in one area, they know how to tackle with problems in different domains because of their experience. And they have a good experience in the domain because they have practiced under a doctor, or they have practiced for a long time for the same domain. Example, a gynecologist, a pulmonologist. So they know what they're doing. In this 7 to 6 years, marketing is not taught to doctors in MBBS college. Marketing is not taught to anyone else. Even if you think that I'm not into marketing, You have to